Hey everybody, it's Chris Load here. In this screencast, I'm going to share with you how you can create your own keyboard shortcut on your MacBook laptop computer. Many of the applications that we have on our laptop do already have keyboard shortcuts. So for instance, if I was to go up to, of course, I'm in Word, here's the edit menu. You can see, of course, paste, cut and copy all have keyboard shortcuts. So Command B, Command C, and Command X for paste, copy, and cut, respectively. And many people use these. However, there are some of the functions in, say, for instance, Word don't have a keyboard shortcut. Here's one. If I go to the Insert menu and I go down to Text Box, if I wanted to insert a text box, there's no keyboard shortcut for that. And if this is something that I do on a regular basis, rather than having to go through all these drop-down menus, I can do my own keyboard shortcut. So let's do a keyboard shortcut for adding a text box in Microsoft Word. First of all, I have to go into my system preferences. So up in the Apple menu, go to the system preferences. And in system preferences, I'm going to go into the keyboard option. And when I click on keyboard, you can see there's a series of options up at the top here. I'm going to click on shortcuts, and you can see there's lots of shortcuts for the various things that we do on our device. And I'm going to go down and select app shortcuts. Now, I don't have any app shortcuts, but I want to add one right now. So click on app shortcuts and then click on the plus sign. I don't want this to apply to all applications. I just want it to apply to Microsoft Word. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find Word. There we go, Microsoft Word. Once I've selected my application, now I have to type in the menu title. And the menu title is the one that is actually in the application. So recall, if I go down here, the menu title is actually text box. So I'm going to go back to my preferences and I'm going to type in text box. So what it's going to do is it's going to go into Microsoft Word and look for that functionality and assign this keyboard shortcut. I want to assign Option Command B. So Option Command B. And it will provide you with the symbols for those key combinations. And then I'm going to click Add. Now I have my Option Command B assigned to creating a new text box. I'll just close, or actually I'll just hop into Word. Now here, I'm just going to show you, if I go into my Insert menu, go down to Text Box, you can see now I now have a keyboard shortcut for adding a text box. Let's test it out. Option Command B. And I do have to draw the text box. There it is. I'm going to go, I wanted to add this to my image here. I wanted to get the copyright symbol, and one thing I can do, here's another little tech tip. I'm going to go to Edit, down to Emoji and Symbols. And it's going to pull up a whole pile of different emojis and symbols that I can add to that. I want to go to the letter-like symbols, click on the copyright button. Now I want to add this over here and resize it. You can see, of course, here I want to get rid of the, go up to shape options. I want to get rid of the fill, so no fill and no line. There we go. Couple of extra little tech tips there at the end. However, the key here, we can add our own keyboard shortcuts, and those are going to be very helpful for things that you do on a regular basis, whether it's in Word or Pages or Keynote, whatever application you are using. So hopefully you find this to be a useful feature on your MacBook Air laptop. Thank you very much and have a good day.